Hola, we have a knife, we have a kniff. It was the kniff in the kitchen with the cantaloupe. When you start to get pigeonholed, what do you think about recipes? When it's like a laundry list. I saw a great meme the other day and it says, I have a kitchen, not a Whole Foods. And it's so true. It's like when there's a laundry list of 20 different ingredients, I get so turned off. Dramatics aside. Hey warriors, welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, your host of this. So good. Here's the thing. How many times have people gotten recipes and they don't do anything about them? They sit there. I've purchased personally, recipe books in the past, and I never opened them. They sat there on the shelf. I ended up donating them to a yoga studio recently. To be honest, I'm not a knower of all knowledge when it comes to food. I eat to feel good and how I want to feel, what fuels me, how my body reacts positively. And guess what? What works for me will not work the same for you. I encourage you to go out and to explore and to find your own lifestyle, not a diet, because what works for your sister or what works for your best friend, and certainly what works for me, is not going to work for you. And it's going to be completely different food that you have access to than I do, most likely, or that I even like. That's the cantaloupe. This is how we stretch. So we can always do yoga. Always. Okay. Lots of love.